Imagine going to a Rolex store and getting your dream watch right away. No waiting. It's not a dream. It's real. We're exploring Rolex watches without the long wait lists. We'll share tips on how to buy these luxury watches without the frustrating delays. Keep watching to discover how you can own your dream Rolex without the usual waiting game. Stay with us and we'll guide you on how to get that Rolex you've been eyeing without the wait. When you call your nearby Rolex store, a friendly and professional retail assistant often responds, saying, "I'm sorry, but there's a considerable waiting list." This waiting list for Rolex watches happens because of the way products are bought and sold in the market, something called supply and demand. To get on this list, you usually need to tell an authorized Rolex seller that you're interested in a specific Rolex model. Then, you hope that they remember your request when they get that particular watch in stock. It's essential to know that not every Rolex watch has a waiting list. Some are more readily available than others. So here are some Rolex timepieces that need no wait. Rolex Datejust 36. If you adore the timeless 36mm Rolex Datejust, you might have an easier time finding one compared to larger-sized Rolex watches. This means you could get your hands on it immediately or within a few weeks or months. The Rolex Datejust is renowned worldwide for its classic and enduring design. It's a watch that's suitable for nearly any occasion or place you can think of. What makes the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust special is its combination of elegant style and practicality. You can confidently wear it to the office, go swimming in a lake or pool, and pretty much anywhere in between without worry. It's a versatile watch that fits various lifestyles and settings. When it comes to the price of the Rolex Datejust 36, it can vary based on several factors, including the specific features it offers, the type of precious metals used in its construction, and the year it was released to the market. Additionally, the Rolex Datejust has evolved over time, incorporating new and improved features while maintaining its timeless appeal. Rolex Sea Dweller Deep Sea 44mm. Consumer preference for larger-sized watches has its limits, though. You'll notice that the 44mm Rolex Deep Sea is often readily available at your local authorized dealer, meaning you don't have to wait long to get one. This Rolex Sea Dweller Deep Sea is a remarkable achievement in dive watch innovation by Rolex, offering an astonishing water resistance of up to 12,800 feet. Several important factors contribute to making it so impressively waterproof. Even when you're not deep underwater, this Rolex watch still stands out and is very fashionable. It features a 44mm diameter and showcases an attractive design that combines stainless steel with a sleek black dial and a matching black Cerachrome bezel. If you have a preference for larger watches, the Rolex Deep Sea could be an excellent choice for you. Rolex Deep Sea Challenge 50mm titanium. The Rolex Deep Sea Challenge is a remarkable piece of engineering crafted from tough titanium. Creating a watch that can withstand depths no human could ever reach on their own might sound like an extravagant and unreachable endeavor, but it's precisely this kind of unwavering dedication to pushing boundaries that mirrors the great achievements of humanity. It's also what sets certain brands apart from the rest. Priced at $26,000, it's unlikely that you'll spot this watch on the wrists of millions. People anticipated that it would be nearly impossible to obtain, with long wait lists, but its substantial 50mm size appears to have deterred potential buyers. As a result, some Rolex enthusiasts have reported that examples of the Deep Sea Challenge are readily available for purchase. Rolex Explorer 124270. You can easily find the latest edition of the Rolex Explorer, which is the newest version of the well-known Mountaineer's tool watch. The case size has returned to 36mm, and the Explorer logo has shifted from just above the 6-hour marker to below the 12-hour marker. This watch also boasts the most up-to-date Rolex technology, making use of the next-generation perpetual movement and oyster steel. It's the iconic watch that we all recognize and adore, but with a slight modern update. As a result, this watch has become one of the most sought-after Rolexes in the secondary market. Rolex Air King 126900. This particular model is readily available at authorized Rolex dealers. The latest iteration of the renowned Rolex Air King has hit the market, maintaining its bloodhound-inspired design while introducing a fresh case, a new movement, and a few subtle changes to the dial. The case size remains at 40mm, but it now comes with protective crown guards. The watch retains its striking dial, which is inspired by car dashboard instruments originally designed by Rolex. However, there's a noteworthy alteration. The larger Arabic numerals on the dial are now filled with chromolite, replacing the silver numerals found on its predecessor. This update adds an exciting dimension to the already fascinating Air King, and you can make it yours today at a very competitive price for a Rolex. Rolex Yacht-Master. This watch is typically in stock and ready for walk-in clients without the need for a long wait. The Rolex Perpetual Yacht-Master is specially designed for those who appreciate a touch of luxury. It's the only chronograph globally with a mechanical memory, setting it apart in terms of innovation. This robust and waterproof Rolex watch seamlessly combines high-performance capabilities with superior design aesthetics. The Rolex Yacht-Master is also incredibly comfortable to wear, making it ideal for extended periods on your wrist. With the Rolex Yacht-Master, you're not just getting a watch, you're investing in a timepiece renowned for its exceptional quality. Its elegant design appeals to both men and women, and it features a timeless and versatile design that fits a variety of occasions. It's the perfect companion for both sunny days on deck and elegant nights on the harbor. Rolex Ladies Watches. The demand for Rolex men's watches is notably higher compared to women's watches. Typically, women's watches are defined as those with a diameter of less than 36mm. However, 36mm is considered a unisex size, and as a result, these watches are worn by both men and women, leading to a high demand for them. In general, Rolex ladies' watches are relatively easy to purchase. If an authorized dealer doesn't have a particular watch in stock, they can usually place an order for you within a reasonable time frame. However, there are exceptions, such as the Oyster Perpetual 31 with colorful dials, which may have a higher demand and therefore be less readily available. The scarcity of supply and the tremendous demand, particularly for the most sought-after Rolex models, have led to a significant surge in the secondary market prices for most Rolex watches. This has resulted in a substantial disparity between the official Rolex retail prices and the prices you'll find in the broader market. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium ranging from 10% to 300% in the gray market to acquire their desired Rolex watches with the most desirable configurations, all while avoiding the lengthy waiting times associated with buying directly from authorized dealers. Which of these watches do you think deserves your wrist this year? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe to Luxury Focus to stay ahead of all the latest news in the world of timepieces. See you next time!